राजा बाजार बॉयज़ एंड गर्ल्स स्कूल का सालाना स्पोर्ट्स कॉलेज ग्राउंड अमर स्ट्रीट में कामयाबी से हमकिनार हुआ। मेहमान खुसूसी विजय कुमार आईपीएस, मिली वो समाजी शख्सियत मोहतरमा अतिया मुश्ताक, प्रिंसिपल और वाइस प्रिंसिपल साजिद परवेज़ और स्कूल के तमाम टीचर्स और स्टाफ हजरात मौजूद रहे। उनके साथ ही साथ बच्चों के वालिदैन भी भारी तादाद में, जिनमें ख़वातीन ज़्यादा दिलचस्पी ले रही थी, मौजूद रहीं। कामयाब बच्चों में मेहमानों के हाथों अवार्ड तकसीम की गई।
पीछे
House of Rajasthan Boys and Girls School pledge to abide by the rules and regulations and carry my responsibilities. I am Arzu Parveen, the captain of Blue House of Raja Bazaar Boys and Girls School, pledged to abide by the rules and regulations and carry my responsibilities.
I, Muhammad Abu Aqib, the captain of Red House of Raja Bazaar Boys and Girls School, pledged to abide by the rules and regulations and carry my responsibilities.
I, Muhammad Umar Ragib, the captain of Yellow House of Raja Bazaar Boys and Girls School,
pledge to abide by the rules and regulations and carry my responsibilities.
I seek refuge in Allah from Shaitan. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious and most merciful. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. All the praises are for Allah, the Lord of the universe. Ar-Rahmanir-Rahim. Most gracious and most merciful. Maliki Yawmiddin. Lord of the Day of Judgment. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. The alone to be worshipped and the alone to be asked for help. Ihdina siratal mustaqim. Lead us along the straight path. Siratal ladhina an'amta alayhim. The path of those upon whom you have rewarded. Ghayril maghdubi alayhim waladdallin. Not of those who went astray. Rabbana atina fid dunya hasana. Our Lord, give us good in this world. Wa fil akhirati hasana. And also to good in hereafter. Wa qina adhaban nar. And save us from the punishment of hellfire. Allahumma rabbi zidna. Oh my Lord, increase my knowledge. Thank you. Thank you. 1 second, third. 1 second. 1 second. Yellow one. कोई कर ही नहीं रहा है।